step up in this bitch like.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my vlog. My name's Sagan, and we're on the island of Hawaii right now, in Oahu. On the island of Oahu in Hawaii right now. I'm pretty stoked to finally be making videos again. It's really cool. Right now we're going up to Diamond Head. We're gonna go check out the beach, get some cool drone photos and stuff. Yeah, welcome to my first vlog. Let's see what we can do. I haven't seen this view in like 2 years. I've been traveling. I went to Greece, Turkey, Egypt, Mexico, Croatia. It's just an amazing view to see finally my home again. We're in near Waikiki right now, if you guys know what that is. Touristic spot in Hawaii, in Oahu. And I'm going to Diamond Head Lookout, and then I'm gonna show you guys basically what the view looks like on the beach. Super nice, super dope. I don't know, that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna go skate down Waikiki with my board, and then we're gonna see what we can see there. Maybe get some like poke or something like that, and then we're gonna call it a day. All right, dang. Just gonna check out this Jeep real quick. Literally, somebody just like cut the side of the Jeep. I'm doing vlogs now. My whole life I've been doing Instagram, social media, and now for a year and a half before this, it's been my full-time career. I have Instagram pages, social media, a website, and before that I was a nobody, doing a lot of bad things, a lot of drugs, and I had to get right with my spirit and self. And now we're here to save the world and show everybody that life is still awesome. Spot. Oh. Okay, we here. And we're happy. No, never been here before, but there's like a patch of grass. We're gonna see what there is for ordering poke. Which one should I get? They have like shrimp too. Hello. Spicy mayo ahi. Sounds pretty good. Yes, please. Alright, let's see what we're looking at. If we can open it. Whoa, it looks so good. COVID's still like really big thing. Everybody's being super cautious about wearing masks, and rightfully so. I'm gonna try some like seaweed right now. Oh, it's super good. Okay. Now some of this spicy ahi. Bro, super good. It's like, I'm used to something a little bit less spicy, but I feel like I taste some like sriracha with mayo, definitely. And the good thing is that the fish is very fresh. Definitely would recommend this place. 5-star poke, fresh from Hawaii, here in this little trailer. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this up and then we'll be on our way. I'm still debating whether to do another drone shot in Waikiki or not, but I think I should do a drone shot maybe at sunset or something. So maybe we'll do that at sunset and we'll come back then. Peace guys.